So crying. Of course. What else? Once a man run away from the army. I'm just tired of killing, that's all. I found it so unnecessary. There's no winners in war. Judges wear noble and fair. War heroes with medals and tails. They put him away without glory and forgot that man in jail. He met her in a street and raped her, laughing all time just like that. The girl was so young and pretty, and the man he was rich and fat. So she cut off his balls, put a knife through her heart. Oh yes, she wanted to die. Now she's lying alone in a grave of her own, and people wonder why. Justice of crime, what's right, what's wrong? Justice of crime, it's justice alone. And the crimes are hanging, so let's start hanging. And justice will us once again. Justice of crime, the hooligan's head. Justice of crime, but criminals dead. The crimes are hanging, so let's start hanging. And justice will us once again. Hey, this was only another song of unfairness of life, where everything's already lost and pens are weaker than knives. Some days I hope there would be God waiting for judgment day, but I'm afraid the winner's the devil who will take us all away. Justice of crime, what's right and what's wrong. Justice of crime, we justice belong. And the crimes are hanging, so let's start the hanging. And justice will us once again. Justice of crime, but who's in its head? Justice of crime, but criminals dead. The crimes are hanging, so let's start the hanging. And justice will us once again. Justice of crime, what's right and what's wrong. Justice of crime, we justice belong. And the crimes are hanging, so let's start the hanging. And justice will us once again. Thank you. Okay, now we are going to change the tune a little bit. There's something quite different. It's a nice song about the nice girls, and it's called What a Bitch. You're welcome. Miss Loretta was straight out when she came down. We had a little raw whiskeys, began to rest her heart. She danced on the tables, put up fights with men. But Louis Curse was a lusty baby. And lusty baby, no what a bitch. fucking guy. You managed it. It was so fucking fast. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe the next one not so fast. Thank you.
Maybe, maybe not.
We'll do a tribute to King of England. Maybe we will borrowed something from some other band. Thank them for that. God save the King!